Sneak peek, everybody. This is the low beam. The high beam bulb's off. But I am very happy how that has come out. As you can see right here, I removed the whole dang housing. That was completely unnecessary. I did not need to do that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to kind of try and get this thing back in there. And then, yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this one back in there. And, yeah, we'll address that later. Over here, though, is my good headlight. So we're going to go ahead and start taking this one off. And these guys twist a little, it should come off. God, there's such a pain. There we go. It comes off as one whole package. Ooh, dang, something making a nest in there. All right, so we got that off, and we should be able to take the headlight off on its own. And yep, so we'll go ahead and do that. We'll just unscrew the headlight from the housing behind it, which should save us a lot of grief. The bumper's in the way. This one looks like we need a Phillips head. So we'll go ahead and start taking these out. I should have probably Googled it, and I would have not taken the whole thing apart over there, but I guess it's a learning experience. No big deal. Ooh, nice little dent right here. Yeah, this looks like this is just a front clip that holds the bulb in. I just want to see that the DRLs work, or the lights work, because they have the same tri-prong in the back here. Oh boy, I gotta get down low, I can't see. There it is. Ooh, I don't want to break that. Smack the glass pretty good. Here we go. The bulb is free. Oh yeah. Let's not lose that screw either. Where'd it go? I already lost it. Wonderful. We'll find it. Lost the screw. Alright, I'm sure I've got another one, something similar. Alright, so this is my good working side. These bulbs are good, so we're going to hold on to these. I might even be able to sell them. Okay guys, so I'm fixing a problem I did when I first bought the car. I installed the lights without kind of looking at the cables. So this headlight or housing I had on this side. The problem is the grounding strap right here is supposed to be bolted in way over here, and it did not reach all the way across. So it's supposed to go on this side. So since I'm already changing the headlights out, I thought it'd be a good idea to go ahead and just swap the housings back to where they're supposed to go, and probably providing better ground, and maybe that would solve the issue that I was having on this side. So we'll find out here shortly. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're back at it. I'm going to show you what we got going on here, okay? So we got some 18 gauge wire, yellow and red. And initially I was going to use red for the white DRLs, but I already ran it and I realized the way I want to do it, it's a little too short. So the yellow is going to go to my DRLs, right? So we got the yellow. We're going to run the yellow from the driver's side all the way across. We're going to hide it, and then it's going to go through here, the cable loom hole, and we're going to connect it straight to the supply battery part of the fuse block, along with the passenger side. And then the red wire will be my turn signals, which we will put a bullet connector on and wire it up just like a normal turn signal, and that should work. I might test it out here to verify, see the color of the amber light, make sure it works using the supply. But yeah, that's where we stand right now. I'll come back to you guys when we can test it out, and I'll show you a little more closely. Alright guys, some people might hate this, but I've never done this before, and I'm going to show you what I did here. Alright, so the this light, this new headlight here, right, has the same tri-plug connector. So it's pretty nice. That plugs right in. If you want to use the DRL ring, you have to wire in the red for the white and the green for the turn signals. Now the red You can hook it up to your red connector here for your side markers, and you'd have to have your parking lights on for that to come on. But I want it to come on when I turn the car on. So I'm running my red wire to this yellow wire, so it's kind of confusing, but I'd already chopped it up real weird. So the yellow wire, this is the driver's side, runs under this little front fender, comes through here, and this is all going to get cleaned up, don't worry, through this little wire hole, and I tie it in together with the other side right here on the fuse block at the supply. So we're going to try it out. We're going to turn the little key and see what happens. Jesus, I got stuff everywhere. I don't know if you can tell, but we're Christmas people and they're ready to go. Alright. Oh, woo! Heck yes! Look at this. That is amazing. That looks so sick. Oh my god, I got it. Alright, time to button it up. Well, I guess first let's test out the amber wires real quick. Or amber lights. I haven't seen them yet. Oh, there's a bit of a flicker to it. That's okay. Just gonna pull this one out. Pull this one out. God bless. Oh great, I actually pulled it out. That's not good. Let's fix that. Oh, the amber works too. Cool. Alright. Turn it back on. We know it works, so let's button it all up. I am very excited about that. Very excited. So I'm going to get buttoned up and I'll come back to you guys with the final product. Okay guys, I need your honest opinion. Ready? With or without the gravel guards? There's without. I don't even know if you can tell, it's so dang bright. That's with. I actually think I want to stick with them. I think they look sick. It's hard to tell probably with the camera though. Very happy with that. If you guys have any questions, comment below and I'll answer all questions. This was way easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, that looks super cool. I don't know if anyone... Let's see. Super sick. Hope you guys can get a good view of that. Alright guys, I love the headlights. Love, love, love them. So, there they are. They're off. The weather's cold, my choke cable doesn't work, so I couldn't get the car started. It's a two-person evolution, somebody to manually choke the engine, while the other person turns it. When I didn't have a windshield, I could do it by myself, but that's not the case anymore. But yeah, I think they look super sick behind the rock guards especially. And when they're lit up, they look really good. So, yeah. That's the DRL LED Angel Eye headlight kit installed. Super simple. $63 on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please like and subscribe. We got some more personal touches coming to Project Bobby B. Take care, everybody.